Hello, good evening, everybody, all my students and viewers. Today's subject is how to be happy or choose to be happy person. All of us know that the full world is in darkness, a dark world. Don't discuss every time with this pandemic disease. Let it go other side. We concentrate our duty and business. It may take time. So now all are in, most of the people are at home, especially senior citizens. They are worried about the future. Nothing to worry. Face it head on. Let us see. Face it with brave. We can't do anything. Mingle with happy people. The other thing is that we can't talk with others. We can't go to neighbor's house. We can't go outside. When we meet other friends, they are keeping far away. Nothing to worry. Think about yourself. Tell, when you are at home, play with the grandchildren. Tell stories, old stories when we are in childhood. Play with them. Don't take tensions. It's left to God. So many pandemic diseases came to the world like Spanish flu, plague, cholera. After a certain time, it is left without our knowledge. It killed a lot of people. Similarly, let us face it with willpower. Don't discuss always with this corona and all. Let them go the other route, let's go other route. So that's only evolution. Read more books, sit together with the grandchildren or brothers, sisters, with the senior citizen like grandfather and mother, share stories, enjoy movies, read good books, play with the grandchildren is the most important thing. We ultimately forget everything. This is not within us. This unexpectedly came like a bolt from the blue. We not thought such a pandemic spread throughout the world. It come all of a sudden, but face it. Don't worry and worry. Worry make you other disease. So always think positively. Choose to be happy. Contact with the happy people. Say once a while or twice in a month with your good friends to telephonic talk. Console them. Say happy words. Don't talk much about corona and all. So you must be a brave man, like an iron type mind, a strong willpower. Head on. If it is fit, enjoy it. Life is two sides of the coin, sometimes sweet, sometimes bitter. So, but face it. Through this, we can learn a lesson. Everybody is learning a lesson from this pandemic disease. Only thing that prayer is a great weapon. A family prayer, or pray 2 or 3 times silently, or with the children, with the wife and children. Almighty God, how long we can suffer this? Give the outlet. We suffered. Definitely, the Almighty God send the angels to wipe out our tears. So only thing that prayer is the great weapon. We can't go to church. We can't assemble more than 5 people or 10 people. All are safe distance. Nobody expected such a world, a dark world. But don't go on thinking about this and every time. You are creating other disease unknowingly. Don't discuss this subject. Read books, tell stories, take yoga. This is most important. Concentrate on one particular subject, God or Goddess, whom you worship. Close your eyes, breathe another thoughts. After 15 or 20 minutes, you feel you are in a better world. This is the solution. See, we came to this world accidentally. No one had invited to this, come to this world. We came actually to the world through others' source. You may return from this world. You have to leave everything, whatever you learned, your possession, your property, nothing. Think that positively, love, caring. Whatever you have any bitter experience with your friends or relatives, forget now. Don't take revenge in your mind. You may have enemies, so pray to God. Keep your hand on chest. Think that person and say, I am sorry, my dear. Say 3 times. So he might have done something against you, or you might have done something to you. Become enemies. They become ugly customer, like an enemy forever, nothing. Put an end of your enmity with your friends, with your relatives, and you can be happy. When you keep enmity with others, you cannot be a happy person. Keep a plain heart. If you smile, they will smile. If you think all negative and negative thoughts filled in your brain and heart, you become an unhappy person. The person pray to God always happy. You see, the person who pray to God happy and they become more beautiful and handsome. A person always thinking in a gloomy mode always become unhappy, not be a cheerful mood. Sadness, the black can fall on your face, spoil your beauty of your mind and face. Face is the mirror of the mind. If you are happy, it appears on the face. Always try to be happy, make others happy. Some are worried about this pandemic disease, especially senior citizen. If you are youth, tell them, oh my aunt or my uncle, we are praying for you, nothing to worry. Enjoy the beauty of this world. See the brighter side of the life, forget about the wrong side. See the negative side of the world, see the bright side of it. If you think what you get, it's a great. If you don't get, still better, because it is God's will. If your dream come true, that's okay. If your dream is not fulfilled, that is will of God. Everybody has dreams and ambitions. All ambitions are not going to fulfill. So if it's not fulfilled, take it easy. Wait for the next. Don't blame God or anybody. So if you want to be happy, choose to be happy people. Crack jokes with the friends at home. Because the condition is that we can't visit any places. So be at home. Read Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Holy Bible. Discuss about it. Then we can be happy. Make others happy by cracking jokes and stories. They are also happy, you are also happy. Don't be worried, worry. It will spoil your image and glamour of or your beauty of the face and physical. You become impatient. So control your thoughts. Choose to be happy. Always I am a happy person. Think I am a happy person. I am not a gloomy person. I am happy. Then you can be happy. Okay, have a nice evening. Enjoy life. Forget about this present situation of the world. Have a nice evening.